Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Daniel Tiger, and there's something behind him. What do you think this could be? Well, in an earlier video with Daniel Tiger, we made real pizza and we made the dough from scratch. And today we're going to make a fabric pizza pretend play. And this is the pizza pan. What's the first thing that we need for pizza? The crust. That's right, Daniel. It starts out as dough made of flour, water, yeast, and a bit of sugar. Okay, Daniel, you put the dough on the pan. We have how many slices? 4. That's right. And what is the number 4 in Spanish, Daniel? Cuatro. Okay, our dough is down. What is next? Here's a hint. It's red like Daniel's jacket. The pizza sauce. That's right. Some people use tomato sauce, or sometimes people use things like barbecue sauce or a white sauce. Today we're going to use just plain tomato sauce. And we have 4 triangles to fit on our pizza slices. And you don't want too much sauce because it will make the dough soggy. Does anyone know what's next? Oh, I do. Okay, Daniel, what do you put on the pizza next? The cheese, of course. Here comes Daniel with the cheese. And of course, we both washed our hands really well, haven't we, Daniel? Yes. Now this cheese looks like it has some holes in it. Can you see through it? Yeah, we can see Daniel's eye. The whole cheese is usually called Swiss cheese, but on pizza we usually use mozzarella and we grate it using a cheese grater. But we just have our Swiss cheese for our pretend play pizza. So let's put our cheese on all 4 slices, and then it will melt when we bake it in the oven. Okay, get your toppings, Daniel. Wow, we have a variety of toppings on a plate. Let's see what they are. First, we have a fish. What kind of fish could it be? Well, I know some people who put anchovies on their pizza. It's a very salty little fish. So we will put it on this slice for whoever would like fish on their pizza. Daniel, he likes pineapple. It's nice and sweet and juicy, and it's good for you too. And maybe some pepperoni or veggie pepperoni. Not too much, it's very salty. And then I love tomatoes, fresh tomatoes on my pizza. And mushrooms, and some jalapeno peppers or banana peppers. And I know many people who like onions on their pizza, and onions are really good for us. They fight colds and flus. And then there are some greens you can put on your pizza, like spinach. This looks like it could be arugula. And you can put it on after the pizza comes out of the oven, fresh. Or the kids, if they're just having cheese pizza, they make a salad and eat a salad because it's important to get your greens every single day. Now, our pizza is ready to go in the oven. Daniel, can you help me? Be careful, it might be hot. I don't know if our pizza's gonna fit in there. It's too big. Uh-oh. Next time we'll have to make mini pizzas. Yay! Okay, it's time to clean up, Daniel. Oops, our pizza flipped upside down. Clean up, everybody everywhere. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.